Welcome back, everybody. So, let's go through another short chapter. This is basically generic catch block. So thus far we have seen how to catch certain types of exceptions and how to print out the exception messages. But sometimes it is necessary to catch an exception and do nothing with it. Just get the information that an exception is thrown. Nothing, just get informed that an exception was thrown and do nothing else. So also sometimes we do not know what exception a function can throw, so we can't really define what type of exception we will catch. This can be problematic, of course. That's why there exists a generic catch block which catches any type of exceptions. It's basically 3 dots instead of, so here you would place like this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 dots. So let me just show you the syntax for this. Let's delete it. And I don't know, we can have something simple. It need not be complex in any way. So cout, enter number, std, cn, and now let's go ahead and create that generic catch. So let's go ahead and try to do something. And I don't know, tra-la-la-la-la, some function tra-la-la-la that we haven't really created at all. But we can have it. We can create it, of course, in a millisecond. Shouldn't be something complex. And down below we shall have catch dot dot dot, not accumulate. It's dot dot dot, and it's gonna be std colons out. I don't know, error. That's great. And std colon and L. Okay, so now that we have that, let's just go ahead and quickly, I don't know, create this function. Trala. Okay, so that's gonna be the function. Trala, excellent. And this is, of course, this is gonna be, I don't know, void, and it shall receive int n as before. I just won't make it as complex as before. We'll just create something a lot simpler with a lot less catches. So I don't know, if, let's go ahead and say, I just want to create like 2, that's it. So if n equals 0, I don't know, throw 1 as before, so this is going to be an integer. And if n is like, if n is equal to -1, throw, we're going to throw a character C. So there you go. Else, are we going to do anything else? Nah, that's actually it. It doesn't need to make that much sense for the function. We just needed to throw an exception. That's basically it. So let's go ahead and run this. And yep. Thank you. There you go. Enter a number. I don't know, what shall we enter? 0. Error. You see, it actually caught the exception without any problems. So this is a generic form. This is a generic way of catching exceptions. The exception can be anything, as opposed to what we have done in the previous tutorial where we've been throwing integers, we've been throwing constant chars, standard exceptions, and so on and so forth, and we've created a separate catch block for each of these. You can also create a generic catch block which will catch pretty much anything as well. So just wanted to run that by you. Anyway, I'm gonna bid you farewell here, and we shall see each other in the follow-up tutorial.